It's Kim Kardashian versus Bette Midler, all over Kim's naked selfie. It started when the divine Miss M sent out a jokey tweet. Kim Kardashian tweeted a nude selfie today. If Kim wants us to see a part of her we've never seen, she's going to have to swallow the camera. Kim fired back by posting yet another nude selfie and saying this of 70-year-old Bette. Hey, Bette Midler, I know it's past your bedtime, but if you're still up and reading this, send nudes. Hashtag just kidding. Teenage actress Chloe Grace Moretz is also joining the fray, telling Kim, I truly hope you realize how important setting goals are for young women, teaching them we have so much more to offer than just our bodies. Kim hit back with, let's all welcome Chloe G. Moretz to Twitter, since no one knows who she is.